welcome back to Style Reels. I hope everyone's doing great and I'm so excited about today's video. I'm finally going to paint an accent wall in my room, and I've always wanted to paint my room all by myself because you guys know your girl loves a good DIY project. I know I could just hire a professional and get it done, but usme maza nahi aata. I wanted to do it myself because I've seen so many room transformation videos where people are just like painting their room, changing the entire vibe, and they're just doing it all by themselves. So I wanted to do that as well. So I'm just going to take you through my entire journey. I don't know क्या गलतियाँ होंगी, but like we'll just see and figure it out. And now without wasting any time, let's get started. So I had to obviously begin by cleaning the bed, taking out all the frames and shifting the bed. Dad helped me with the move. बेड के नीचे बहुत कचरा था, so वो सब क्लीन करके I started wiping the wall because the surface had to be clean and with no dust. So since I started this project in the evening, आज का task था सिर्फ at least I should complete the primer layer. So कल उठ के I can start with the actual painting job. Walls clean करने के बाद I made a wall putty paste and सारे frames जहाँ hang किए थे और जहाँ paint had fallen out, I filled all of those places. After it had dried, I evened out the surface with the help of a sandpaper and it was no joke. हाथ दुखने लग गए थे because पूरा wall sand करना था. But again, I completed it and इसके बाद there was fine dust and kachra all over the room again. So वो सब clean करके I finally took a dinner break.
Later.
So before starting the most awaited part, मैंने सब side पे masking tape लगा दी थी, so there's no paint going out and ruining the side white walls as well. And now finally moving on to the most fun part, and that is painting the wall. So I'm taking 50% water and 50% paint to make it as a primer. ये मैंने YouTube की videos में देखा था and सीखा है. So it was recommended, so I'm doing that only. I was so happy, you guys, at this moment. I mean, my happiness was all over the place. Okay, so even though the primer was the most time consuming part and the most difficult part because I had to paint the entire wall with a brush, so हाथ दुखने लग गया था, but who cares, I was so very motivated कि मुझे करना है. Then it took me about almost 2 hours to complete and bus, that was it. I was so tired, I had to go and sleep.
The next day.
So कल रात को मैंने I put up one layer of paint that is supposed to act like a primer base. So now today is the final day जब सब कुछ complete हो जाएगा. Yeah! I realized कि मैंने paint को properly mix नहीं करा था, so there were like thick and watery layers, so every time that I was applying the paint I had to mix it properly. So this time before doing all of that I'm just going to mix the paint properly so even coat lag jaye. This is like a very uneven base, but since it is going to have 2 more layers तो चल जाएगा. And कल I have a very important shoot, so I need to finish this project today itself because कल सुबह shoot करना है. So today I can finally use a paint roller. I was so excited to do this. So this time I've mixed 70% paint with 30% water because that is what was recommended. And this entire process was so quick. Oh, by the way, the paint that I'm using is from Asian Paint in the shade Vibrant Plush. Sponsored नहीं है, सिर्फ बता रही हूँ in case you like the color and you want to, get it for yourself. Description में सब details mention किए हैं, so देख लेना. The first coat was done in an hour, so मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश थी because the next day I had to shoot no matter what. I was stressed about that and I had to move my bed before that. So first coat के बाद the wall was looking very nice. Just the wall putty parts were a little see-through. Camera पे तो उतना दिख नहीं रहा, but in real you could see that.
3 hours later.
So after 3-4 hours, I went in and got done with the second coat of paint. It was finally completed. I have stared at the wall so much because it was looking so very nice. That little bit of color just made so much difference. And मेरी मेहनत, मेरी ज़िद was all completely worth it. हमने bed shift कर दिया था by the end of the day. So I recently got this neon sign and the wall was the perfect place to hang it. My dad helped me hang it. पहले तो we had to finalize the placement of where I exactly want it, and we got all the screws and everything with the neon sign itself, so it was very easy through the entire process. And oh my god, it was looking so pretty and I was so happy. I also changed my side table. बहुत टाइम से मेरी wish list में था, so I finally did that. Decor के लिए बस I'm putting this one big frame with this cute tiny fake plant on the drawers. सब IKEA से लिया है. Links are in the description, so देख लेना. And this is the final result. I absolutely freaking love it so much. I feel just because I've taken so much mehnat on the wall, it is just way more special. And this was honestly a very budget friendly wall painting DIY, so I'm even more happy about it. Here's a little before and after for you guys. So this is it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then you know the drill. Hit the like button and tell me in the comment section below, what do you think of the new accent wall? I absolutely love it. I'm currently obsessed with it. I cannot like just stop staring at the wall because sari mehnat maine kari hai, and I'm just so proud of how it turned out. And yeah, this is it. I hope the video was helpful as well, if you in case want to paint your own room. So yeah, this is it. I will see you guys in my next video super soon.